This is the kettlebell snatch. We're going to set up in our kettlebell swing position, one hand on the bell, in a hike, and then we're going to pull the bell up into the groin like we do for our swings, keeping a nice loose grip on the handle, and then drive nice and hard through the hips to propel the bell up and overhead. Now we want to keep the arc of the bell nice and close to the body. We don't want a full arm swing. Our grip must stay loose, and as we propel it up, we want the bell to be above our shoulder before we punch our hand through to meet the sky. This is key here. We want to punch nice and fast as the bell has gone over our shoulder. And when we do this with a nice loose grip, the bell will flip over the wrist instead of coming crashing down on the wrist and forearm. So keep a nice loose grip, big power drive through the hips, and then lock nice and tight at the top of the snatch. Wrist, elbow, and shoulder in a straight line. If you can't bring it back in what we call the long cycle position, so that's returning it the same way it went up, you can come back to the rack position, drop it in like you do for your cleans, and then swing up for the snatch, called a short cycle snatch.